So may bisita tayo ngayon galing pa ng Thailand. Actually, mga Singaporean sila, no? Singaporean, Malay, and Indonesian, Chinese, right? So may special tayong bisita. Una sa lahat, ipapakilala ko sa inyo yung coach at saka brother ko. Kasama ko to naglaro dati since 2017, right? And 18, yun. And now, the new IFBB Pro IRFAN. Hey, you introduce yourself lah.
Oh, hi, I'm IRFAN. I just turned pro back in June in Korea Monsters Gym. Debuted that same day also, placed second. Almost got my Olympiad qualification.
Yeah, Thanos lah. We together with Thanos one.
And this weekend we try and get the Olympiad qualification again. 5 days out.
Yeah. So hopefully, what's this? Help us to pray lah, not to pray lah. Of course, support us in muscle contest, right? And some more with her girlfriend, Sherry. Okay.
I'm an NPC figure athlete. And
Figure, yes.
Yes, figure athlete, and I'm fighting for my pro card this Saturday. So hopefully I can win it, and then I'm gonna make my pro debut in Singapore's first figure pro show next year.
Actually, not hopefully lah. I guarantee 100% she can get the IFBB.
She will.
Pro for that. Figure, yeah.
Figure.
Can you show the flex first? Flex lah. Woo! The back. Oh, tingnan nyo itong back. Boom! Tayo na! Back na yung puta! Papamura tuloy ako, puta! Tayo na, back! Putay na mo! Anyway guys, please support. Actually, he's very busy on his prep, on our prep of course. Yeah, so we are focusing on muscle contest, and hopefully I can get also my pro card. Please support us. And I know a lot of people there is supporting us, and especially me. So a lot of fans there waiting for my pro card, and hopefully I can get. So God bless us and enjoy. Hey, may nose bleeding or not? Dumudugo ba? Hey, sige ba siya? No lah, because I keep English ma.
want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. For your love with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it. Like a disease, bring them to their knees. They for their disease. Just like a weed, spread into the streets. It's time to make them bleed. 'Cause we just want retribution. Let's go light up the darkness. Make true of an empty promise. Flip cards into weak and harmless. Take to the streets and turn them to a mosh pit. 'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.
Two more. Yeah. Last one. Stay back. Down slow.
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. For your love with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it. Like a disease, bring them to their knees. They for their disease. Just like a weed, spread into the streets. It's time to make them bleed. 'Cause we just want retribution. Let's go light up the darkness. Make true of an empty promise. Flip cards into weak and harmless. Take to the streets and turn them to a mosh pit. 'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Feed like a disease, bring them to their knees. They for their disease. Just like a weed, spread into the streets. It's time to make them bleed. 'Cause we want retribution. 'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.